she's a regular. I've seen her with a couple of guys.
Did you ever see her with Victor Coe? Come on, counselor. Thanks for coming in.